Today we're making fish soup. So I have one fish head. I've cleaned that up and I'm going to wash it with some vinegar right there. Make sure it's clean. Add a little bit of olive oil just to kind of soak in the little bit of seasoning that we're adding. We're not adding too much seasoning. To my pot I added some pimento grain, a little bit of garlic, about 5 or so head of garlic, 3 rather. I cut that up. Put my fish into boil and I boil it for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then I'm going to take it out. You don't want it to be overcooked, so we're going to take that out, put it one side, because later on we're just going to pick the meat from the head. Let's continue. We're cutting up our veggies and I'm using carrots and pumpkins. I'm using 2 kinds of pumpkins today. This piece I had it in the freezer, so it's kind of soft, which is perfect for the kind of soup we're making. And I'm also going to add some celery. It adds flavor to the soup. I love to add it to my meats. It's just awesome. So let's get that in our pot that's now boiling and asking for the veggies, right? Cooking is how you want to do it. So if there's something that you see me do that you don't do, or you do differently, feel free. This recipe doesn't say that this is the only way it's made. So let's get to making some dumplings. Today we're using some flour, cornmeal and salt. That was about 1.5 cups of flour, about 1/3 cup of cornmeal, and about 3/4 spoon of salt. And of course, depending if it's fine or coarse salt, you adjust accordingly. Add your water as you go along. Don't pour in everything all at once, and you just get your dough together. And right here I'm just showing you the different shapes I'll be doing. I'll be making some round ones, and it should look something like this. Remember, no, this is not one shoe fits all or one size fits all. Make it as how you want it. And we're also making some spinners. So that's what I'm going to be making for my pot. Now that that is done, let's get them in the pot. Right, nice. And we need a little bit more liquid, so I'm adding some vegetable broth. You could easily add warm water or cold water, it's up to you. Warm water continues the cooking and doesn't slow down the process. I'm adding some Irish potatoes and I'm only using 2. I don't know, I always think that Irish potato kind of takes away the flavor, so I don't overuse it. I am just going to cut these in cubes. Again, feel free to cut them how you want them. Remember that some of them will be mashed out in the soup, kind of a thing, so you don't want to do it too big, you don't want to do it too fine.